guys, and welcome to my channel. So today is another day and I'm starting a new vlog. As I told you guys that yesterday, I'm going to be starting a new vlog. Yo, what's going on here? Yesterday I told you that I'm going to start a new vlog. I hope no is background check alone, so it's making a lot of noise, so I couldn't wait to vlog for you guys. So I want to show you the things that I got from town. I had to go in town to get a few things, and I made a big girl purchase. So I got these air fryer liners. These, I now have an air fryer. I got it as a gift, and I just got these just because they look cute. I have some like this because of some business that I wanted to do, so I just restocked on that. I also have these premium hooks, my adhesive hooks. I don't know if you guys can see them. Sometimes I don't know my shinies, but I know they're going to work soon. And I also got 2 packs of bin liners and a pen for change. And lastly, I got this diffuser. I think it smells okay. I got this is how it looks, because like I realized I want to make my lounge gray, white and black. So I think I already have enough gray things in here. My carpet is gray, white. My carpet is gray and black, right? Yeah, gray and black. And then my curtains are white. My couch is gray. My TV stand is white. My center tables are gray. My frame is black. So I think that's going to be the color in here. And then I hope you guys know some things. I'm so sorry. I think I need to get mics then. And my kitchen my kitchen in a lot of black items, so I think I'm gonna make it also black and white. So yeah, let me show you my big girl purchases. So I got this mirror. I don't know if you guys can see clearly. And we'll find the same one. Let me unbox it with you. Oh my word, I'm so scared. Last time I can just say this. I was saying that last time I got a dressing table. So this is how it looks, guys. Whew. So I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I think somewhere here. Exactly. This is what I'm talking about. I still need to clean it. I still need to clean it. It's still not making sense. It's still not making sense over there. I don't know. because like I also can say this if I do this. This is how it looks. It looks so plain over there. So I'm going to look for a plant. I'm just gonna put a plant so that it looks nice. But I think it's serving. I think it's serving its purpose. The last thing, let me show you. Ooh, we got a TV. Let's unbox together. I also didn't show you that I got this came when I was not around, but we now have unlimited connection, internet connection, tiny Wi-Fi, Starlink. So I ended up going for Starlink because I told you last time I talked to you guys via data and one. I didn't end up going to Tier 1 because I went to Tier 1 and I used my route and I didn't. So special thanks to my sister. She's one of the people who made it happen. So these are the legs. Three boys are saying, guys, I don't know what kind of some places made us young. So the thing is, I got a 43-inch just because like this lounge is a bit too small. So I don't want to get a very big TV. When like the couches are a bit too close to they will be a bit too close to the TV. These are the items. I've never done these things, so I'm just gonna fix this first. I don't see anything, so I'm just gonna fix this first, then I'll come back to you guys. Hi guys, this is how my TV looks. So right now it's around past 8 and I'm now going to sleep. So yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I'm sure I'll definitely vlog for you guys. I'll do something. I'm trying by all means to vlog. But anyways, good night. Bye. Bye. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Yeah. What is this now? Set the TV to turn on automatically with your favorite channel or alarm sound. TV can be used as an alarm clock to start your day. No, because I don't sleep in here. Not now. Good night. Hi guys, and welcome back to the video. So this is another day and we are going in town. We're going in town to restock to buy some groceries. I bought some of the groceries this other day. I didn't vlog. So that I need to buy because I buy my groceries in different shops. So we are going to finish the groceries and then yeah, I'm not gonna vlog in town, but I'll definitely just show you what I got, or I'll just pack and show you after packing how my house looks. This is my OOTD. I'm wearing oops so I'm wearing these jeans. So yeah, and then I relax pesa, but I just had to run and change since the weather is going to be raining the next days. I think the next week race, so I need to restock my things so that I this it up and down kuchinaya. And yesterday it rained very bad around 3. It rained so bad around kuma 3, so I know kuti manje is going to rain. You see kuti is so sunny. It looks so sunny, but the weather no go change suddenly, so we need to rush. We need to get some fruits and yeah, let's go. So do you guys see what I was telling you? I don't know if you guys can see it. It's right, and the clouds are there. The sky is a bit blue, as you can see. But with the shirt don't go change from nowhere. It's not getting windy. I hope we'll make it. I hope we'll make it because I don't want to end up doing in drive. Hi. Hi guys. So I'm back from town. And I'm back from town, so I just finished packing everything because it was just hectic. So I just want to show you how it looks. And I told you, I'm sure you've seen in the other vlog, like I got a new TV and a mirror and stuff. So I just want to show you how my house looks right now. Let's get into it. So this is my little cabinet where I put everything, like the rest of my groceries. That is where I put them. So here there's cooking oil, juice and stuff like that, cereal and stuff like that. This is where I just put everything else. I live alone, so one thing about me, I usually just buy some stuff in advance. I had coupé reneging in the middle of the month, so this is how it looks. And moving on here, this is where I put everything else, my oils, chichi, vinegar and stuff like that. And yeah, these are my vitamins over here and everything else. So today I got rice. This rice, I usually just buy the basmati, you know, the basmati green, but I heard that this is nice. It's going for $6 something PKP, or 52 kg, which is almost the same because 5 kg need about $12-13 if I'm not mistaken. And I also got brown rice. I want to start taking the brown rice, and it's more healthier than this one. So I'm just gonna be having this whenever I feel like I want white rice, but for now I'm going to try the brown rice. I hope I'll like it. So this is how everything looks over this corner. This is the clock watch I got. Karan's happy hour. I love making cocktails and mocktails. So when I saw this, I was like, girl, we're going home together. So this is how everything looks over here. So I'm still yet to pack someone at the lunch team, but this is how it looks. Moving on here, this is my table over here. This is how it looks. Let me show you the side like this. This is how it's looking. I feel like it looks so cute and clean. I don't know what you guys think. I got some fruit over here, and yeah, let me show you my fridge, how it's looking. This is how it looks. I got everything. I love juice, so I buy a lot of juice. Nothing too personal. And then I got some yogurt, some watermelon and water. And then I'm still yet to buy eggs. I couldn't get eggs in town, so I'll get them. I usually buy them from Chico. So I'm yet to buy eggs, and yeah. First, I've also got a little bit of ice cream. This is how it looks down there. And I'm yet to pick nyama up. Don't mind this. I'm yet to pick nyama up for me to put it in there. But it can't fit because there are mangoes. Mona plastic plastic blue. Those are mangoes, and I can't see sister I'm going to change it. Of which my fridge is so small, but I think I need space, so I'm just gonna create space. And yeah, I think for today we are done. So this is everything. This is how my house looks. Saturday stove. I'm sure on watching Chasaramo. Chega. If I get a stove, I'll be good to go. Because right now I'm using that small gas, and I'm thinking of buying a 4-plate gas stove. Using a gas stove, not in I don't know. But yeah, this is how everything is looking, and this is how my lounge is looking as well. This is how my lounge is looking from this angle. This is just a small place, so I'm just loving it. So it's small and nice. Over there, I put like my portraits. I'm gonna see my marks up. If anyone knows how to remove this, please tell me. It's CD painting again because I don't know how to remove these things. I tried kuita, but shakaramba cover. The last option I was set up and is to repaint, just to repaint this whole part. I don't know, but this is how everything is looking. So I'll catch you guys later. I need to look for something to eat, and then we have church today. So we have church today. We have church today na 8 kune all night. Yeah, all night event. My youth from Methodist and Anglican. So I'm thinking of going to church tonight. If I do go, I'll vlog for you guys. So I'm gonna love and leave you. I need to finish up, and then I'll talk to you guys later.